Hi guys, welcome to Tech Press with yet another video. In this video I'll show you how to add Fantom network on Metamask. If you want to add Fantom network, what you needed to do is just go to settings and scroll all the way down, and here you can see the networks and edit custom RPC network, and there you can add this add network. Just tap on this add network, then you'll be taken to its page where you can actually add its name and the chain link, etc. Add these things in this field, and like network name and this link in here, new RPC URL currently used by Fantom Opera network. Okay, so I've already created one, so yeah. Then add this chain ID. So then there is its name, aka symbol, and the blog explorer URL. Just I have put these details in the description. You can just copy and paste, and once you add it, just click save. Then boom, you're ready to send your Fantom coin from other exchanges to your MetaMask. Sometimes you may have already bought some Fantom and you might be wondering where to store, and you don't want to store it on centralized exchanges, right? So in here you can just tap on here, then you can switch between the network. So that's Ethereum mainnet and the Fantom network. Or if you go here, then you can switch between the network once you add it. Okay, Binance chain, Fantom, and Ethereum mainnet. So that's how it actually works. So I hope this helps, guys. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.